In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos or videos from an Android phone to laptop or PC. Now, it's really simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly connect your Android phone or your Samsung to your PC or laptop using an application called Phone Link, which is going to be on your PC or laptop by default. So go ahead and type in Phone Link and it's going to look like this. If it's not here, go ahead and download it on Microsoft Store for free. Go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to ask you to basically like connect whichever phone you want, whether you're an iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that. You're going to be able to connect it. Just make sure you have Bluetooth enabled, and also just for extra measure, make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi settings as well. Now all you want to go ahead and do is, once it's connected, go over to Phone Link right here, and then in the Phone Link app on the laptop, once it's connected, it's going to say you're going to have a lot of tabs, but go over to your Photos tab. Now once you're in your Photos tab, find the photo that you want to go ahead and transfer. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and transfer this one right here. What I got to do is click on it, and then I have a few options. I can, right click, and then I can press save as right here, or I can press save as at the very top. There's so many different methods I could go ahead and do it, or I could like literally just go over here, right click, save as over here as well. So yeah, you do have some options, which is pretty neat. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.